Just a heavy-duty drag link from Off-Road Design. Replaced the existing factory. Swapped out the kingpin springs for crane version polymer bushings, and those have both been rebuilt, so the uppers are done. Still have to update and put a new shock absorber up here in the front. Installed PSC steering box is ported, the pitman arm. It comes with the kit, all purchased through Off-Road Design. Got a Jeep Cherokee steering shaft, and I still got a bolt to install up there. Don't have one. I'll get that. But everything should be pretty good. It was pretty straightforward on everything to install all this. The hard part, there wasn't really anything too hard. I did make sure to, when installing this, to instead of turning it on first, make sure to have the vehicle jacked up on jacks, and then add fluid, turn the wheels full lock to lock both sides, and keep adding fluid until it gets full. And that seemed to really reduce any air bubbles in the system, doing that without the vehicle on and then turning it on, and I don't hear any whine. So that was a good note. Everything else is pretty straightforward, just elbow grease.